Alright, final stage. I've cut this slot here. I've got my pilot hole into the center of the back there. It's time for me to screw this thing in. So what I don't want to do, obviously this screw is not going to work anyway, I don't want to use a flathead screw that has that tapered or conical underside. What happens is that as you tighten that thing down, it starts to dig or bury itself into the sides, and I could chamfer both of these undersides to accommodate for this thing to slide back and forth using this type of screw, but I feel like it's a better grip if I use something that is a panhead or a round head screw. I've got a couple of turns of that, and that's all I need. It's a low profile, so it's not above the sidewalls here. This one will be able to clear that drawer in and out, and you don't see any of that slot on the inside. It's not going to shrink any more than this. Again, this is as narrow as it's going to get. I've already been making this drawer in the summer in, as I said, Florida or somewhere hot and humid, Tennessee, whatever. I would want to consider the contraction that's going to happen, so I would probably make less of a slot here because I know that it's going to shrink quite a bit. But that's it. Now you've got a drawer. I just need to add a couple more coats of finish, and then we're all done. Hopefully this is helpful. See you.